Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and I film all things real estate. Today we're going to be touring a rental that's available in the St. Catherine area and it's located at the Orchids Innswood. So let's jump straight into the tour. So this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property was developed by Rivi and Associates and is listed by our real estate agent, Mr. Ariel Menzie from the Keller Williams team. So this property has a beautiful exterior, as you can see, lots of driveway space available as well, and a beautiful front yard with lots and lots of landscaping. I really liked that. Now going around the back, I kind of wanted to show you the borders of the land which would belong to you. This property is being rented for $85,000 a month. It actually started out as $100,000, but there was a price reduction. So I want you guys to get on this rental as soon as possible. All right, so let's take a look at the borders. You guys see that bottle right there, that corner there going right around, and I'm gonna point to the bottle. Hopefully you can see where my finger is touching. That is where your property stops. At the back there is a wash area, separate and apart from the space for your washing area inside the actual house. So if you want to wash certain stuff outside, they do have a space for that. Now there's beautiful grill work, large veranda, which we will view shortly, but first let's step into the living room where we will view the layout of the place. It's very open concept. The living room has high ceilings, which I really like. High ceilings always open up the space. And then going back to the kitchen area as well, there is space for you to have your high chairs, your couch, and kind of section off the space so that you can differentiate the kitchen area from the dining area, from the living room area. It also has beautiful accent lighting, which you guys saw earlier, and right there is where I would personally put my appliances, but that is up to you. Now next, we're going to start looking at ways we can organize the space. So there I would put maybe 2 or 3 high chairs thereabout, and right here I would maybe put the television, or you can put the couch there and then put the TV on this wall that you're seeing there with the plugs. With any space, you always want to have some accent pieces. So I'd probably put a plant in that corner. That's Ariel at the front on his phone. And here are air conditioning units. Now, this is located right throughout the property. And you guys know Jamaica tends to have a warm climate. Let's jump into the kitchen now. So the counters, I believe they're granite countertops. I cannot really confirm this, but they do appear to be granite. Dark cabinets, which also, give the kitchen a nice aesthetic look. Your stove would go here, and there's lots of cabinet storage as well, which I really liked. Lots of counter space as well, and they made sure to have plenty and plenty of sockets for your blender, your toaster oven, etc. There's sockets on the other side as well. Now here is where I was suggesting you put your refrigerator, but that pipe that you were seeing there, that is where you would have your washing machine. So remember earlier when I said there's space inside for you to have your washing appliance, that was where I was referring to. So let's look at bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is not the master bedroom, but I wanted to show you guys first because we're going to be viewing the master bedroom last. I really love how they had dark walls in both the bedrooms. It's been a while since I've seen a property with that, but I think it really warms up the space, especially with the white crown moldings and footings at the top and bottom. As for the grill work, that gives you adequate security as well, so you guys are protected with that. And then in addition to that, there was an amazing space here on the wall for you to put your television. And again, with the high ceilings, I am a big fan of high ceilings. Even if a room is small, it really does open up the space and give a lot of light. Now as for the closet, there is a huge closet in here. I'm going to open up the door so you can see. It's not a walk-in closet, but there's still tons and tons of space. There's also space for overhead storage as well, and there's a rack installed for you to hang your clothes and your other items. Now, when you exit the bedroom, on your right, there will be somewhat of a linen closet, I believe. At least that's what I would use it for. And this linen closet is very spacious, and there's lots of shelving as well, which we'll get to in the next clip. So if you look here, starting at the top, right, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and space underneath for you to keep larger items like maybe your Christmas decorations or your suitcases. But I think this is perfect. I really loved how they have that there for extra storage. I wish more properties would have a linen closet or maybe like a pantry space as well. This is the bathroom. Now this bathroom will be shared by both bedrooms. It's the only bathroom in the unit, but take a look at this space. There's a shower, there is a sink, beautiful mirror, racks for your towels, and there's also storage underneath the sink for you to keep your toiletries. So once we're done with the bathroom, we're going to view the master bedroom, which I mentioned we will be viewing last. The master bedroom is the largest bedroom on the property. It really has a lot of natural light. It's located to the front of the house, so you will have views of that beautiful front yard that I showed you earlier. There's 2 windows allowing for lots of ventilation and lighting. The closet is a similar size as well, and there's an air conditioning unit in this bedroom. Now, when the Jamaican summer hits, you're gonna need this. So again, guys, if you're interested in this rental, contact the real estate agent below and book a viewing and see if you would love to rent this property. Tapping in again with the high ceilings really opens up the bedroom space, and then I'm going to kind of step back so you can see the closet space fully. There are sockets on this wall, which kind of implies that's the wall your TV will be on. This is the veranda. Very, very large compared to other verandas that I've seen. I think you can maybe fit a few chairs out here even, or if you're creative, you can maybe install a little hammock. But overall, guys, I think it's a great house. I think the price is great. Now that we're exiting the property, I'm going to be driving throughout the town so that you can see the local amenities and plazas and other places that are located near your rental, so you can have an idea of what life will be like. All right, so starting out, we passed a housing scheme on the right. I'm not sure of the name, but it's very nice, which means that, you know, the whole vibe is a residential area. There are several gas stations located as well. We had Ruby's here, and there was another one up the road. I can't really remember the name at the time. There's also several hardwares on this specific street, as well as several plazas. Additionally, when I was driving through the town, I did note that there were a lot of shops and food shops, aka cook shops, which us Jamaicans, you know, we love to tap into that. Jamaicans love their food. Now, when we were driving, I noticed a pharmacy on the right. I think that's what we're passing right now. And then when we're passing on the left-hand side, there was an entire complex with several shops and businesses, which I'm trying to show you on the left, but really, guys, I'm trying my best because I'm driving. I should add as well that there are several prominent high schools in the area. So guys, comment below what was your favorite part of the property. Would you rent a home like that for $85,000? And if you're interested, here is the real estate agent's information. Please reach out to him whether email or by phone call. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe, share with a friend, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.